good job, buddy.
At least we made a new record today.
Yeah, go out there in the ball diamond, right out there. You're doing really, really good.
Thanks, Mama.
Practice makes perfect.
You're doing a good job, buddy.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoop. You go wherever you want. You go a straight line, you can do turns, you can go in the ball diamond, you can ride around the yard, I don't care where you go. As long as you have fun. You're doing an amazing job. Knuckle. Good job, buddy. Whatever you want to do. Well, leave it up there. Okay, I got you. You just give it a little bit of gas and take off. Hey, not the tree! Not the tree!
Go on, keep going.
Keep going!
Keep going.
Keep going! Give it gas!
Oh, now he done that on purpose.
He's scared. It's okay.
Get it.
YouTube, that was epic.
Awesome. Good job, Dad.
Thanks. Come on, kid. So, what'd you do wrong? Or what happened? You thought you were going to hit the tree. So what'd you do? You turned a little bit. Good job, good job. Okay. So why'd you fall? No, you stopped giving it gas. You won't fall if you keep giving it just a little bit of gas, like just enough to get you moving. If you stop, like see how it stopped right now, it'll fall over. But whenever you're moving, you don't fall over, do you? See what I mean? You're doing a good job. That's just what happens, okay? Are you hurt? You're doing good, buddy. Hop on. You ride wherever you want, okay? I'll tell you when you're by yourself, okay? Yep, keep going. There you go. All right, by yourself. There you go. Right off the gas. Turn a little bit. Turn. Give it a little bit of gas. Come back this way. Let off the gas. There you go. Woo!
Oh, good job. Woo, good job. Keep going.
Oh, good job, buddy.
I did it.
What'd you stop for?
Oh my God. I did it. I got this. That was awesome. That was awesome.
You think he'd see better with that other helmet on, honey? The ones that spot?
His problem isn't seeing. Come on, buddy.
You gotta keep practicing, honey.
Yep, just go.
Bring me that camera.
Oh, you're gonna put it on my helmet?
No, I don't have the mount for it. I'm gonna hold it. Thanks, buddy, old pal. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Keep one foot down for me. Put one foot down. Your right foot. Yeah, it's your right foot. Okay, now put it out a little bit more. Okay, now just hold on. Okay, so, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Put your foot up there. Okay, now whenever you're ready, give it a little bit of gas. Okay, take a look around your surroundings. You're by yourself, buddy. Yep, you're doing good. Remember to turn a little bit. Give it gas. Turn. Hey, come back this way. Keep coming this way. Oh, man. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Woo, woo. Here. Hey. Hey, it's okay. Come here. It's okay. Woo. Here, don't hold it. Don't hold it. Can I kiss it? Can I kiss it? Are you sure? Are you gonna stop crying if I kiss it? Hold on. Ready? Ready? Whoa. Ooh. Breathe with me. Go. Ooh. Ooh. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go over there and you say, dang old bike, and kick it. Go kick it. Kick it. Say, don't hurt me no more. Now come here.
I think that's enough for one day.
Come here, sit down.
I think that's enough for one day.
You think so?
Yeah.
What happened?
So I hit that stick,
Yeah.
high stick, and then I fell off.
Yeah. How'd it happen?
I was turning, and then I just hit it.
It's okay.
This side handle hit it, and then I just went flying.
You went flying. You know what you kind of looked like?
What?
Superman.
But I was like, not.
Yeah. Are you mad at me?
I'm mad at the bike.
Why are you mad at the bike?
Because it made me fall.
Because it made you fall. Well, are you ever going to ride it again? Get out here, bug.
Tomorrow.
Get out here, bug. There was a bug that tried to get me.
Maybe tomorrow.
Can you believe there was a bug that tried to get me right now?
Because it's summer. Summer is the season of bugs.
Freaking bugs. Jeez.
Maybe I can ride it some more tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm proud of you, though. So yesterday, you kind of had trouble going in a straight line.
Yeah.
What did you do today?
I got better.
You got way better.
And I hit a new record.
You hit a new record. What's your new record?
More time than other time.
Doing what?
Riding my bike.
Riding your bike. Riding your motorcycle.
Yeah. A mini bike.
Do you want to call it a motorcycle or a mini bike?
I guess motorcycle, because
Well, I mean, you can call it whatever you want.
I have a hard time remembering what it's called.
Okay.
A little bit.
So, are you mad at Dad?
No.
Not mad at Dad? Are you mad at...
It's starting to sprinkle.
It is starting to sprinkle. You know what we're going to have to do then?
What?
We're going to have to put the mini bike up.
Yeah.
You want to help Dad
Also,
put it up?
I think it died.
It did die. Did you kill it?
No.
You was kicking it and it died?
No, the battery ran out.
Oh, the battery ran out?
Or it ran out of gas.
Well, you want to go see what's going on with it?
Yeah.
Okay, here. I'll let you hold the camera. You want to show off your war wound? Look at that thing. Jeez, you're so tough. It's going to bruise, you know that?
It hurts.
Does it?
Yeah.
I believe it. You think your mom's going to be mad at me?
I'm going to take a picture of it and type on it, first wound of riding
Oh,
motorcycle or
okay.
mini bike.
You think your mom's going to be mad at me?
No, No, I think she might be mad at me because I was riding a mini bike.
Well, here, you hold this. We'll go see what's wrong with it, okay?
Look at it. Look at it. It hurts.
All right, let's go see what's wrong
guys. Put hashtag sorry for Jackson in the comments.
First off, let's look at this right here. Let's look at it. When you point the camera at it.
No.
Okay, you ready?
It fell.
Bad bike.
Bad bike.
Okay.
Guys, put hashtag kick bike in the comments.
You broke the handle off.
I did?
Yep.
I know. I was riding a mini bike and look at what I got.
He fell over.
You survived your first crash.
And I hit one of these. I hit one of those.
We hit this post.
You okay?
I'm so sorry. I'll buy you a new post if you want me to buy you a new post.
And look at what I got.
That's happy when you go. That's okay.
How are you doing?
Mama, I hit a new record today.
He did. He hit a new record.
My wife prepared.
Is she? That's good.
You're going to be an inspector of the paint.
Good.
I can't do it.
Yeah, that's understandable. Sometimes that happens.
Doo-doo. I'm gonna go show Mama my boo-boo. Look at my boo-boo.
Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah. Well, Grandma put some medicine on it.
I hit a post. I hit one of those posts.
You're supposed to turn. You're not supposed to hit stuff.
I was turning.
Evidently not.
I guess turning too much. Well,
You're going to have to ride out there in the ball diamond. That way you haven't got nothing to hit out there. Yeah. That's what Dad said before you ride out there, because you don't have nothing to hit. And you can practice, you know, turning and stuff.
I mean,
out
once he
there.
gets better, I'm sure he'll want to take a ramp. He's good on his bike now. His bicycle.
I'll put some Neosporin on
He's
it.
good at this. He'll be all right.
You want me to put some Neosporin on it? It's okay. It'll be all right.
nah.
Yeah.
That'll
It's
make
okay.
it quit burning. That'll make it quit burning.
It's okay.
All right.
No, the handlebars are just loose. Dad's got to tighten the handlebars down.
Yeah, he said he's gonna ride out there.
Oh, you're going to ride out there now?
No, this is enough for one day.
Oh, here, let me see the camera.
That's a big boo-boo.
All right, are we done for the video?
Not done with the video, but done riding my motorcycle for today.
Okay, we'll see you later.
See you later, alligator.
Put your hand on it.